budgets. How you manage them can be the difference between winning and losing this competition. Elise, still reeling from her blow-up with Matt, is looking for a bit of good news. She has an appointment at the block shop with yours truly and Amber from Suncorp for a quick update on her budget.
Oh, here she is. Hello, Elise. Come on in.
How are we?
Come and take a seat and take a load off.
Thank you kindly. That old Suncorp meeting.
It's no dramas. You're not in trouble.
I feel okay. First thing.
Maybe. Maybe.
Oh, gosh.
I heard that you just had a meeting with Dave Franklin.
Yes.
And you're talking about putting a pool in.
There is conversation about it, yes.
Really?
We're just, you know, touching on the subject at the moment, and obviously money will be a major player in that. I was feeling positive. I knew that I had done all my budgets. Yes, there was a few that were outstanding. Just spoken to Dave, you know, yes, I can do this.
We're here with Amber today to talk about budget. Exactly. You're saying budget's going to be a big factor?
Yes.
Oh, yes, it is.
It was a surprise when we saw the numbers for you. Today, already spent $65,000.
Yep.
But we've actually estimated an additional $33,000 in invoices still to come, which takes it up to $98,000 with a budget of only $250,000.
Number one, there's no pool. But number two, you won't even get to pool week. So, Amber, what can we do moving forward to try and prepare for this better?
What we can actually look at doing for you is setting up some sub-accounts that sit alongside your everyday account. Each week, you just transfer it to your everyday account, and that's what you have to spend that week.
From me, as a personal thing, I was very open to hearing what they had to say, and I was willing to take all the information on board, and I did, I accepted that.
This will at least see you to the end of it.
What happened after that did not need to happen.
Oh, Mel, come on in.
Gotti, how
How are you?
Mel was just as much surprised as what I am to see each other, and I thought that she would be asked to wait until we had obviously finished our meeting, but Scotty had obviously said, no, Mel, come on in.
Amber, how is Mel going on the budget?
Amazing. You're totally across your budget. You are the best.
I immediately felt very uncomfortable.
So because your budget is so well, Suncorp would love to reward you with $5,000 cash.
Are you serious? Are you serious? Oh my God, we can get a... Oh my
there
God,
you go.
I'm crying. Oh, no, that's going to help us so much. Monday, $10,000. Wednesday, $5,000. It's a great week.
Mel, thanks for dropping by. See you later.
Is that it?
Yeah, see ya.
Oh, thanks, guys. All right. Thanks for making me day.
Yeah, no.
Oh, thanks, guys. See ya.
See ya, champion.
Oh, God.
I was just absolutely gobsmacked with the situation that had just been put in front of me.
When you do this,
Yeah.
and you do it correctly,
Yeah.
you could take out the Savvy Saver Award, because there's more to come.
Yes.
You've just obviously spoken to me about how bad I'm doing, and then you've obviously brought somebody in that is doing very well. See ya.
Mitch and Mark are riding high, but Elise is driving low as she heads back from her budget humiliation, and it's all just too much.
You're under a lot of stress.
I just don't like to be made a fool of.
No one does.
No, it does, it does. I think we're actually doing a good job. In terms of trades, in terms of everything, like, really good job. And when you put in a situation like that where you put down, it's not nice. And rubbed in, that's not fair. I don't deserve that. I worked too hard to get where I've been. You didn't have to invite Melanie to rub it in. That, you know, that hurts. We're all struggling. We're here for a reason. We're here for our kids and to make their life better. And I just don't like things being shoved in my face unnecessarily. But our dream is big. And then to get on the block was a big dream. When the cards are down, we know how tight it is. Don't rub it in my face. It's not nice. And I'm here and I'm going to make sure I do the best I can.